Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you easy and quick recipe of mushroom capsicum. For making this recipe I have taken 7 capsicum, cut them into thin slices, and 20 mushroom. Peel off the skin of mushroom and cut the mushroom into 2 parts. Take 25 to 30 black peppercorn, 10 cloves of garlic. In a mortar add the black peppercorn and garlic. If you don't like spicy enough, you can reduce the quantity of black peppercorn. Now add a teaspoon salt and crush with a pestle. Next, turn on the heat, put a pan, add 40 ml oil. After oil is hot enough, add the sliced capsicum. Over medium to high heat, stir continuously for 2 minutes, then add a small teaspoon salt. Mix well and keep stirring. Stir fry the capsicum pieces until it crunchy. Transfer in a bowl. Next, in the same pan, add the crushed garlic, black peppercorn mixture. Reduce the heat and saute for a few seconds until it fragrant and color change. Next, add half small teaspoon turmeric powder, saute, and then add the pieces of mushroom. Turn to high heat and quick stir. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Mushroom has lot of water content. Keep stirring until the water dry up, then add the stir fried capsicum. Mix well. Keep stirring and give a good mix. Friends, it's very tasty and quick recipe. You can serve it with fulka roti. Also, you can give it to your kids' school tiffin box. It pairs well with bread also. Press lightly and reduce the heat. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. See, our yummy tasty mushroom capsicum recipe is done. If this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. I need your support. Thanks for watching.